I feel like someone at Diva when they're like, I'm so cute. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I have a special guest. It's my sister, Crystal. It's Chris. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving Crystal a little hair makeover. This is actually her before. And the reason, no, because there's a reason to it, right, Chris?
There's a method to the madness.
Chris is all about like health, wellness, yoga, feeling good spiritually, and all that good stuff. But now it's time to take care of the outside.
So grateful. Kelly's about to help me out. I'm used to living my days in sweatpants and t-shirts and a bun, and it's time. I just want to feel beautiful.
So we're gonna beautify her up today. If you want to check out Crystal's yoga Insta page, I'm gonna leave all the links down below. She actually has a website. She's legit, she's a real deal. She's actually really funny. So especially if you're a beginner in yoga, I would definitely recommend you to Crystal. She is the bomb. So if you want to keep on watching Crystal's transformation, just keep on watching. Let's go. So we're gonna start off with deep conditioning her hair. Now Crystal's hair, it's all natural. She has not dyed it in how many years?
Since I've been growing it, maybe 3 or 4 years.
3-4 years she's been natural. But Crystal has always been natural, like her entire life. The only damage that you've ever had was heat damage or color damage. So she just needs a lot of moisture. So we're gonna start off with DevaCurl's Melt Into Moisture, and this is gonna give you a great deep treatment.
That sounds okay.
And we're gonna hook you up. So first we're going to spritz her hair and we're gonna soak it on up. So this is her hair with it all raked through. Oh, I feel like someone at Diva when they're like, okay, so now we're gonna put a cap on her. She's gonna deep condition for about 20-30 minutes. We're gonna leave this on. Gosh, I wish I had this length. This is crazy. I'm so cute. Okay, so we just rinsed out her deep conditioner. So after we deep condition, we added some SheaMoisture. It's their Jamaican black castor oil strengthen and grow shampoo. We followed it with some one condition from DevaCurl. Okay, so now unveiling of the wet, clean hair. Oh. Ooh, it smells good. It's like a matcha Diva.
Need a haircut.
Need a haircut. We're gonna do that when it's dry. Her hair feels so different. Like Chris, feel it. Like, what do you think?
Yeah, much improved. Keep going, Bruce.
Our next step is to add in some leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna put like a small dime size because her hair isn't as coarse or thick as mine. So a little bit of this goes a long way. And then I'm gonna follow it with some Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls. And to seal it up, we're gonna use some Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft, well, Jelly Soft Curls. I'm literally using like this much for the back of her hair. This is just to like coat it. It's to keep moisture in.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, once upon a time, and I was putting in like 12 products. My stuff was juicy though. That's when I started like understanding like, oh my gosh, products really help. Yeah. And then once my hair started growing, because that's when I had short hair, I didn't know how to maintain long curls. Like to this day, that's why every other day I'm like, I just want to cut it off. But I want hair down to my butt. Like I really want it.
You could do it.
I think about all the time, like when I had a little girl, am I ever gonna let her do the things that we did with our hair? And I'm like, hell no.
Ooh.
When you're like 25, you can choose what to do with your hair. But in the meantime, nah.
I think I'd still have a little fun.
A little fun, but us going bald, like that hair is the freshest set of hair you get, the healthiest, strongest set of hair.
This looks so crazy. It smells, your hair smells so good. We're gonna wait for this to dry about 20 minutes and then we're gonna start diffusing her hair. So we will be back with the results. I'm so excited!
I'm excited. My hair is gonna be done.
Yeah! What? Crystal has curls.
My hair is done.
Her hair is done. How do you feel, Chris?
You did an awesome job. My hair feels different. It feels way more conditioned and moisturized than it has all year, and you did that like in an hour. So yeah, I'm grateful. Oh my gosh,
I love it.
yeah. And the curls look so juicy.
Oh my gosh,
See that? Look at
her bounce. Let it bounce, girl. Let it bounce. I had so much fun with you, Chris. We should definitely do it again. Like every week I'll probably hit you and be like, make sure you deep condition your hair.
You need to deep condition your eyebrows.
Crystal, your eyebrows. Oh yes, and her little makeover. So I did her eyebrows. I just pretty much, everything that I do on my face, I just did on hers. So thank you guys so much for watching her transformation. I'm so happy for it. Make sure that you follow Crystal. It's Crystal Star Yoga on her Instagram, her website. I'll have everything linked down below. Make sure that you subscribe to my page. Give it a thumbs up if you want to see more of my beautiful family. And I'll see you guys later in the next video. Bye.
Thanks, Cal.
My name is Crystal, and I be looking like this every day. My mom be like, why you look like this? I be like, cause I like to look like this, or whatever. Thanks, Maury. I feel really beautiful. Now I feel like I respect myself. I won't curse my mom out, and I could be happy. What you?
I mean, not that bad.